Good evening. You know me. Or at least you think you do. You see my face on your ghee packets. See me smiling on your chocolate wrappers. You worship me in your streets and call me Mother. I am dressed like this today, like you, because I need you to hear me not as a resource, not as cattle. So I will speak your language. The language of business. The language of biology. Let us begin with a biology lesson. A lesson the industry spends billions to make you forget. When does a female mammal produce milk? A human mother? A dog? A giraffe? Only when she is pregnant or has just given birth. Milk is not a beverage. It is a life support system for a baby. My baby. But in your modern world, I am not a mother. I am a machine. And my body is a factory floor. Let me tell you how your glass of milk begins. It does not begin with grass and sunshine. It begins with a steel apparatus. The industry calls it a Trevis. But those of us inside, we know it by its true name, the rape rack. I am restrained. My head is locked so I cannot move. My legs are tied. And then
a man approaches. He does not ask. He takes a steel rod, a catheter, and he violates me.
If this happened to a woman in your city, you would burn the streets down in protest. But when it happens to me, you call it dairy farming. You call it standard operating procedure. 9 months later, my baby is born. The love of my life. The reason my body created this milk. And within hours, sometimes minutes, you take him. He is trash to the industry. She is a girl. She is sentenced to my fate. To the same rack. To the same steel rod. And me? I am left screaming, searching for a child I will never nurse. And while I grieve, you attach machines to my body. You take the milk meant for my son. Steal a mother's labor, her bodily fluids, and her children, and you package it as wholesome. They inject me with hormones, oxytocin, to squeeze every last drop. My body breaks down. I am exhausted. When I can no longer stand, when I am spent, I do not get retirement. I get a truck ride to the slaughterhouse. I am an educated lady of the earth. I understand supply and demand. As long as you demand my milk, they will supply my suffering. Do not tell me you love animals while you pay for them to be violated. Do not tell me you respect mothers while you steal their children. You have a choice. I do not. Please. Stop paying for my pain.